Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video we're gonna explore the latest feature of Google AI Studio, which is building Android native apps on the AI Studio, and it was shipped on the 19th May and we are a little bit late, sorry for that. So to build the native Android apps, go to aistudio.google.com/apps and select the build Android app, and it can be selected from here as well. Go to this framework and select the Android. It will be automatically selected, and we will go with the default Gemini 3.5 flash model because it is a little bit fast, and the system instruction will be null because we are just testing it. Okay, so this is our prompt, and it is a very basic weather application which fetches the data from free API. Okay, so no API key requirement, sorry for that, and we will not accept any prompt improvement from the Google AI, and we will hit the build control and it will start building the app. So as you can see, it is while working asking us to select any design we like. So design preview are ready. So it is like bento grid and then the sleek interface and then immersive UI. Okay, then the elegant dark and then the professional polish. So which one should we select? So we are not live, then I think we should go with the immersive UI. Okay, select this design and it will start working. So guys, this is a basic overview video, a detailed video in which we will try to make a production app over the AI Studio. So please subscribe and stay tuned for that video, and we will come up when the all the processing will be done. So after running 12 minutes, it is giving us first preview of our application. It is launching the device. Okay, as you can see, this is our application created in 12 minutes, which is very much like production ready app, I think. Let me test some feature of it. Okay, okay, the horizontal scroll is working. Let me search a city, New Delhi. Okay, as you can see, it is changing color according to the temperature. So the question is, we can share it from here. Okay, we can publish also this from, it is not live like publishing to the Play Store. It will come soon, and these are the version. It just created itself and then change the UI to our selected one, and we can share it from GitHub as well. So I'm not going to do that. So it is coming to mobile. If any one of you don't have computers, just don't worry, you can use mobile app. You can pre-register on this URL. Now the question is this working on the AI Studio or will it work on the Google like Android Studio as well? So for that we gonna download, this is the source code. If you are not aware of that, just go here and go here and download the zip file. Okay, the weather zip file is downloaded. Okay, just go over there and just extract this to weather. Okay, so this is the source code. We gonna open this in our Android Studio. Okay, so this is weather directory. So it will also take time very much, so I will just cut that part out. So if there will be any error, I will like show that in video, and I will show you how to handle that error if any comes. So guys, it synced the project, and this is the prerequisite given in the readme file which we should follow. So go to Gradle file. Okay, Gradle build.gradle.kts at your app level, and it is saying that you need to delete this line, but I would recommend you just delete this signing config and then this line from here and then this one too. Okay, so after this you will sync your grader files, and let me launch the emulator. So after sync we will just hit the run app to see that if it works like as beautifully as it was working on the Google AI Studio. So build finished and it is launching on our emulator. Okay, the icon is not that good, we got that. But the whole app experience is looking good, and it is scrolling horizontally and it is working fine. If we like search for New Delhi, okay, let me select this, and as you can see it is working. If we select New York, okay, it is working fine and changing the color according to the like temperature. Okay, so if we go to the source code, so this is source code and it is using, okay, which API it is using. Let me see if it is possible to. So it is using Open Meteor free API. Okay, so we can like see it here. So this is the whole source code of the Android application, you can see, and the app is working fine. If I like search for my village, as you can see the temperature is very high because I belong to Rajasthan, India. So one thing I forgot to like mention, that you can install this application right away on your Android phone. And the thing is, I tried like for half an hour and it will not work. I changed the device like multiple times. I used 3 devices and it will not work. As of now I think it is not working. So this is it for this video, and for the next video we will come up with a like a very production app. We will use that, we will build it on the Google AI Studio and we will publish it on my like developer account, like real application. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you.